Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titilayo and I'm a pastry chef based in Lagos, Nigeria. On this channel, I share recipes ranging from cakes, pastries, desserts, drinks, business ideas, business conversation, and so much more. On today's episode, I'm going to be sharing some tips to grow on YouTube because my growth on YouTube this year has been really tremendous, and I thought to share some of the tips or the things that I've done that has helped my growth on YouTube. I'm not an expert, I'm new here on this platform, but at the same time, I've learned a thing or two about being a creator on YouTube. So, if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, be a part of the family. And if you're an OG here, I welcome you once again, specially. You know how we roll. So now let's get right into today's video. It's going to be a short and brief one. I don't want it to be too long. Pick the lessons you're going to pick and start creating those content this year that will skyrocket you into being a YouTube partner and earning on this platform. Before I proceed, guys, this makeup for my face, I did it by myself. Guys, what do you think? Let me know what you think in the comment section. For a beginner like me, did I nail it? What do you think I should touch up on? Just let me know your opinion in the comment section. I've never really been a fan of makeup, but of course, I just developed interest this year. And how did I do? Let me know in the comment section. Now, let's move into today's video. Number one tip to grow on YouTube would be that you should know the kind of content you want to create on this platform. So there are different fields that you can talk about, that you can make videos and create content about. Please pick the one that you are sure that you are very, very knowledgeable about and start creating content about it. Because if you pick something that you really, really know about, it will be easy for you to create content all around it. You are definitely going to get a topic. You will not have content block. Of course, there can be content block at some point in time, but because you are knowledgeable about it, you definitely find something to talk about or to share videos about almost all the time. Number two would be for you to niche down as soon as possible. So you know that you've already picked something that you are very knowledgeable about. As you've picked this thing, there's definitely a niche under all of this. So for instance, you're into food content creation. For food, you have the people that cook, you have the pastry side, you have the business side of it. So try and niche down to probably maybe you just want to be cooking so that you will be known for, okay, she's a food content creator and what she does is to cook most of the time. So anything involving the kitchen, cuisines, that's what you are known for. So what this does for you is that it helps you stand out. You are known for something, not like being all over the place. Now you already have an idea of what you want to create content about. Number two, you've already niched down. The third thing for you to do is to post consistently on your platform now that you've picked out a niche. So you need to sit down and strategize on how busy your schedule is to be able to create content. So whether you want to be putting out your content twice a week or once a week or twice in a month. Once your audience are used to a particular consistency, they'll be expecting you to post on those days. So even if you don't post, they're going to reach out to you. I hope you're okay. That means you are already engaging with your audience. They know the time that you are going to post. So you are developing a connection with your audience. It's not really easy to be consistent, but you just have to do it. I won't say I've been very consistent, but I've really, really tried to be consistent this year, and the results have been obvious. Now you've already started posting consistently, and your audience already have an idea of when you post, they are engaging with your post. Now is the time to develop a connection with your audience. So it's not when you post and then the comments, you are not replying comments. There'll be a little bit of disconnect. So you need to try and engage with your audience. YouTube has already created a community tab where you can have engagement with your audience. There's opinion poll, there's different things. Just explore all of the options. At the same time, there's shorts. With shorts now, you can create a lot of short content that your audience are going to relate to. Not every time long form content. Number 5, as you are trying to create content, you are trying to get the attention of people that are just scrolling on the timeline. You need to make sure that your thumbnail is quite attractive and your title is as brief as possible. As much as it's going to be brief, make sure that it is explaining the video that you are posting. So make your title brief and concise, such that it describes the essence of your video, and make sure you design your thumbnail to be attractive. Apps that I use to edit my thumbnail, I use CapCut and I also use Canva. So those two apps are the ones that I use to design my thumbnail, and I use CapCut for my video. CapCut and InShot, those are the two apps that I use for my videos. You can try all those apps, they are free and they are really very versatile and beginner friendly. Number 6, check your insights. So YouTube has another platform, that's the YouTube Studio, where you can check all of your insights. So you see where your audience are coming from, you see their age range, you see a whole lot of things, you see the videos that are doing well, that you can now try and imitate the way you did that previous video that made it go viral or something. Maybe it's really doing well compared to other videos. So those are some of the things that I noticed. So when I noticed that um there's a particular video that I did that is doing well, I try to use that same template and it has really helped, even though sometimes it didn't work, but most of the times it did work. So try and check your insights on YouTube Studio to see what your insights are talking about. You would understand your audience and your content from the YouTube Studio. These are the tips that I have to share with you. I hope you apply them to be able to grow on this platform in 2024. I cannot wait to see your success story. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? Be a part of the family. And of course, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm push it to a wider audience. And in that way, I'll grow on this platform. Till I come your way again next time, my name remains Titilayo. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.